So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use one of these recipe codes and create yourself a monthly planner for 2021. So we've created 7 daily planners for this year, and down here you'll see all the recipe codes you can use. The first recipe code here is one for a monthly planner on 4 pages, where you have a calendar on the left side and a task and notes list on the right. We also have a perpetual calendar for you here, and you can also try and make a planner with 2 calendars on 1 page. We also have one with 3 calendars on 1 page. And then here is another perpetual calendar you can try, and so on. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can open this planner in the Create page and then download it to your computer. So you see that every planner has a recipe code. So what we want to do first is copy the recipe code and then open the Create page. Next, click on Reset Design. On the left panel here, you can insert the recipe code and then click on Find Recipe. And then from here, you want to select Replace with this, and you want to click on Apply Planner to Workspace. Now, since this planner has multiple pages, we want to open the workspace and see how many pages it has. So it currently has 2 pages. So here is page 1, and down here is page 2. If we zoom in here on the left panel, you see that this planner has been made for the mini happy planner size. And if you yourself have a mini happy planner size as well, you can just click on Batch Generate PDF. If you don't, you want to open the sizing panel, and then you want to select the correct sizing for your planner. If you have a personal white size, you want to click on the personal white size or any size. So let's select the personal white. And you also have to apply the sizing to the other page. So let's click on page 1, apply the sizing again. Okay, so now if you look, we have personal white on page 1 and on page 2. From here on, you can just click on Batch Generate PDF. Then click on Download, and here you go. Here is the planner. From here you can also click and save it to your desktop, and then, for example, you could save it on a 2021 monthlies and then just save. Okay, so it just saved it to my desktop, and from there you can open it in Adobe PDF Reader and then print the pages front and back. And you should have in total 4 pages, starting with January, February, March, and on the back page should be April, June, July, and so on. Now, if you don't like the styling, if you don't like the black and white style, you can always go to the sizing panel and then change the styling here. For example, change the colors, add a border, or you could also go to template. And if you previously already saved some of your styles, it will show here, and you can just click to apply your personal styling. And if you apply one of these stylings, you also want to apply to the other page. So select the second page and then again click one of your saved styles. And what you can do as well is, for example, maybe customize these boxes. For example, if you would want to add or change this note section to a to-do list, you can do that by selecting it and then click on to-do. for example, like this. Maybe also change the header to do. And then you would copy and paste this to-do list down here as well. And then further customize the second page here, I mean the right page here, and then also page 1. So you would customize each page, and when you're done, you would click on Batch Generate PDF to download the planner. So click on download, and here you go. So if you have questions, feel free to message us on Instagram or Facebook anytime, and we will try to respond to your questions as quickly as we can. Bye!